If you just understood the principles of success, you could be successful. It don't matter what. Anybody can be successful. You just gotta adhere to a few things. And what you gotta adhere to is not hard. The hard part is believing that it's applicable to you. But everybody is designed to be successful. You just gotta get out your way sometime. The difference between successful people and non-successful people is just what goes on in here. That's the difference. It's not that successful people are smarter than you or anything. And I'm not saying none of you aren't successful. I'm just using it as an example, just talking in generalities. Look, just have to change the way you think. The Bible says a man is as he thinketh. So if you think poor, I have news for you. You can be nothing but poor. If you think negative thoughts, you'll be nothing but negative. But whatever comes out of here, whatever you project out of here comes back. That's how it works. Don't you think for one moment that it works any other way. I'll give you an example. You go home and you got a remote control. You pick up your remote control when you go home and you press the on button and you point it at your TV. What do you expect to happen? You expect TV to come on. That TV come on all the time, don't it? If HBO is channel 420 and you press 420 and you hit select, what do you expect your TV to do? You expect HBO to come on. And guess what? Without really thinking about it, you know that's the channel. You press select, HBO comes on your TV. Your remote control was designed the way your mind works. Your mind was designed in the image of God. God said, let there be light. He didn't just light it up. He pretty powerful dude. He could have just lit it up, but he was teaching us a lesson. He said, let there be light. Then it was light. He was teaching us in the very beginning that what you say is what is. So now, if they created this remote off your mind, everything you project from here is what you're going to get back. It's the law of attraction. It don't matter if you believe it or not. It's just the way it is. I'm sorry. It don't matter if you adhere to it. I don't believe in that. It don't matter. It's just the way it is. You have people all the time, ain't no God. Cause you say that, you think I'm finna go with that ignorant mess you just said. It ain't no God. No, dog. Just cause you said it wasn't no God, don't make that true. You got a bunch of people that got together talking about there ain't no God. Quit listening to them. It is a God, it really does work. If you're a woman and you say all men are dogs, guess what? You finna meet all of them. You finna meet all of them. You're gonna prove yourself to be right. If you say, man, I really feel great today, guess what? That's how you feel. You can wake up on the wrong side of the bed and change it by just changing what you say. I hate when I hear people say, I'm not a morning person. I hate that, man. I'm not a morning person. Wait a minute, the goal is to wake up. What are you talking about? It's gonna be morning tomorrow. Don't be in. Why would you shoot down the blessing? The blessing is to wake up. Now you wake up and say, I'm not a morning person. How stupid is this? You got to change. You change your attitude, you change your altitude. It's your mental capacity that gets you. We are all where we thought ourselves to be. I just been talking to God for a long time about this.